जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 3rd chapter कर्मयोगम 36th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा teaching निष्काम कर्म to each and every one of us including Arjuna. Now Arjuna, and in Arjuna's shoes we are all asking a question to Sri Krishna Paramatma that, "Oh Krishna, we do not want to commit any sin, but we are committing sins. You know why? There is something, we are feeling that there is something forcing us to do these sins. That is why unwillingly we are committing sins. What is that force which is influencing us to commit sins? Krishna, please tell us." Like this, we are all asking a question to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us repeat Arjuna's words as it is. Adhakena prayuktoyam papam charati purushaha anichannapi वार्ष्णेय बलादिव नियोजितः। Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Always meditate upon me, become my devotee, do all your activities as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja, do not cry, ma suchaha." Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings by reading one Gita sloka every day. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your teachings among all the devotees. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep working for you. Oh Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava." श्रीमद्भागवतम। नमस्कारं टू श्रीमद्भागवतम। निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः। नमस्कारं टू श्रीसुक महर्षि। यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। नमस्कारं टू श्रीमन्नारायण, चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा, सरस्वती देवी, व्यासमहर्षि। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्। In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Saunaka is asking Suta Maharshi like this: "O Suta Mahanubhava, After hearing from Sri Sukha Yogindra, Parikshit Narendra, what did he ask? How did he respond back to Sri Sukha Yogindra? O Suta Mahanubhava, we are listening to you very carefully. Please go on disclosing all the details to us. O Suta Mahanubhava, Pandava's grandson Parikshit, Savai Bhagavato Raja, even in the childhood, this Parikshit used to be very devoted to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Bala Kridana Kaih Kridan Krishna Kridam Ya Adade. In his childhood, Parikshitu, while playing around, also used to play and used to imitate Sri Krishna Paramatma's puja, Sri Krishna Paramatma's aradhana. His play was like that, and he used to enjoy while doing puja in his childhood also. O Suta Mahanubhava, on other side, Sri Sukha Yogindra, he is such a great devotee. Bhagavan Vasudeva Parayanaha, he is devoted to Sri Krishna Paramatma. He has a clear understanding that Paramatma, Sri Krishna Paramatma, Vasudeva, Sriman Narayana is only the one should be the ultimate goal for everyone. He is that much devoted to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Like that, this side Parikshitu, that side Sri Sukha Yogindra, when both such a great devotees comes together and talk to each other, there should be definitely so many divine stories comes into their communication, comes into their conversation. Please tell us all those things. O Suta Mahanubhava, Ayur Harati Vaipumsam. Whoever does not listen to Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine stories, whoever does not talk about Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine stories, their life is going to be cut down by Sakshat Surya Bhagavan. Whenever he rises, whenever he sets, with his Udayam Astamayam, with his rising and setting, he cuts down the lifetime of those who does not listen to Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine stories. O Suta Mahanubhava, the devotees, how do they think, whatever the time they have in their lifespan, they do not want to waste any single moment. They want to spend, they want to make the best use of their life in listening to Krishna Paramatma stories, in talking about Sri Krishna Paramatma. The devotees thinks like this, O Suta Mahanubhava. The very purpose of their life is to listen to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Otherwise, it is a mere wasting of the life only by breathing. They feel like that. O Suta Mahanubhava, all the insentient things like trees, they are also living. Around us, there are so many pigs, donkeys, dogs, they are also living. Na khadanti, are those animals not eating? They are eating. Na mehanti, are those animals not getting the pleasures? They are also enjoying the pleasures. If one does not listen to Sri Krishna Paramatma's stories, if anyone is spending their life without listening to Sri Krishna Paramatma's stories, what are they? Like this, Saunaka expressing his views to Suta Mahanubhava about those who make sure none of the divine stories comes to their ears. How they are, what are they, and what are they equivalent to. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Madraksham Kshina Punyan क्षणमपि भवतो भक्तिहीनान् पदाब्जे माश्रौषं श्राव्यबन्धं तव चरितम् अपास्य अन्यदाख्यानजातम् मास्मार्षं माधव त्वामपि भुवनपते चेतसापह्नुवानान् मा भूवं त्वत्सपर्याव्यतिकररहितो जन्म जन्मान्तरेऽपि। कृष्णो रक्षतु नो जगत्त्रयगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहम्। कृष्णे नामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः। कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्। कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 3rd chapter 36th श्लोक। अध केन प्रयुक्तोऽयं पापं चरति पूरुषः अनिच्छन्नपि वार्ष्णेय बलादिव नियोजितः। अधकेन प्रयुक्तोऽयं पापं चरति पूरुषः अनिच्छन्नपि वार्ष्णेय बलादिव नियोजितः। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।